Good morning, everybody. Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we're going to talk about custom gaming computers. So if you can take a look at this bill, the back of it, the customer bought this off of another guy, and the pump, the cooler doesn't have its own bracket. So what he did, he zip tied the bracket from the cooler, and now it's freezing up and overheating. So if you want a custom gaming computer, please make sure you know who you're buying it from, because if you buy it off like online people or like Craigslist or stuff like that, you don't know what you're getting. I mean, the pump itself, the cooler itself, it's not even fitted in properly. It's got to fit the holes, it's got to be mounted and, you know, screwed in from the bracket in the back. So please be careful with what you're getting, and you know, if you don't know who you're getting it from. So if you have any questions on repairs or any custom builds, please leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.